Hi, Nikki Quinn here with Retail Level Up. That big project lands on your desk with a tight deadline. What do? Well, of course, you get right to work. But as you're working on it, your mind starts to think, well, what if I don't get this all done in time? The pressure is on. That deadline is looming over you, and so you double down. You start your day even earlier than you already do. You work through your lunch. You stay later than you normally do. And you rush home and you get just those few things that you have to get done, and then you're right back at it, working late into the night. You are laser focused, which means no casual chats with your peers or your coworkers, no touch bases with your direct reports. Your current clients, well, they don't hear from you. Friends, family, that was the first thing you cut out of your schedule. But even with all this focus and elimination of those non-essential things, that deadline seems to be rushing towards you. And there's two things that are going to happen. One, you're either going to fail and miss the deadline, or two, you're going to push through and make it happen, only to realize that next big project is now sitting on your desk. You've had no time to breathe, and certainly no time to catch up with your friends or family or anybody that's important to you. That is an example of exactly what not to do. I've seen this happen time and time again with individuals, businesses, organizations when they are met with big deadlines or overwhelming projects or adversities and challenges. They seem to cut out all the non-essential pleasures or peer-to-peer conversations or those casual conversations. They get laser focused, they eliminate all the fun stuff, and what happens? Well, they often end up failing. The most successful companies and people take an actual exact opposite approach. They tap into the strength of their social support network. Individuals who recognize the importance of their social support network are able to recharge, refresh, and re-energize themselves. And because they understand the necessary priority of making time to have a little bit of downtime, even when work is crazy busy, they are more productive and engaged, and they have greater success. So the next time you find yourself working on a big project and you start to isolate yourself and you start removing those non-essential conversations or social get-togethers, remember that your social support network is an important asset. So don't go it alone. For more tips like this, like us and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, and wherever you listen to your favorite podcasts. Just search for Retail Level Up. Be sure to visit our website, retaillevelup.com, and sign up to get our weekly newsletters. We send Monday Motivation and Top Tip Tuesday because we all can use a little extra motivation right now, and we can certainly use some top tips because now, even more than ever, it's time to level up.